there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing and turning on your notifications as I have new uploads every week. Now today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty delicious beef stew, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So before I show you the rest of the spices, we'll start by cooking our meat until it's very soft. I went ahead to add some salt to it and a beef cube, which is completely optional, and the point of just adding the salt is to build the flavor as you continue to cook, so you don't have a tasteless meat and a tasty stew. Now the other ingredients that I'll be using are a teaspoon each, that is black pepper, paprika, cumin and coriander powder. I also have a teaspoon of garlic and ginger, green bell peppers, coriander, tomato that I've already pureed, you can use whole tomatoes as well, and some onions. So once your meat is done and completely soft, go ahead to add in some oil, then fry it a little, followed by some onions, and fry them until they're translucent. Once that is done, go ahead to add in your garlic and ginger and fry them as well. Once that is done, go ahead to add spices, and this is just because the soaking the beautiful flavor. And also this spices for a minute, it helps release that beautiful flavor from them. So add your spices first before putting in your tomatoes or green bell peppers. So once that is done, go ahead to add your green bell peppers, but if you're using whole tomatoes, you can add your tomatoes and make them until they're completely broken down. But since I'm using red tomatoes, I'm just going to add my green bell peppers and red tomatoes because it's too fast. beef is ready to serve.